Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to add text in ZWCAD software. To add text, there are two options with text command and mtext command. For the first, I will use text command. You can type text, press enter. For specify start point, I will click in here and we need to specify for text height, like I will set into 200 for text height. And for angle, set default 0. Now you can tap, like I will tap into example and click offset, press escape button to close. I will change this text layer into layer text. Okay, the second, I will use mtext command. You can tap mtext, press enter, and I will create in here box. Now will be appear for text formatting floating dialogs box. You also can set like for text style in here, for layer. Okay, I will set like into greens, and for text height we use default to 100, and like I will set the names into example. Select this all text, and you can set like for this option stroke and underlines or the other settings. If you done, you can click OK. Okay, that's it, how to add text in ZWCAD. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.